This is 2021 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo. It's a one box break. We're going to squeeze it in. Flashback is next, no matter what. I'm just going to start opening right away. Dice rolls a 9. Ninth and final for the teams. 9, White Sox down to the Mets. Good luck. This is Jordan Lawler. Marcelo Meyer. 9, 9. Nine. Good luck. Seabags and Brock. D-backs and Red Sox. Good luck to you two. Good luck, everybody. Oh, thank you, Jude. Thank you, Jude. If I hit the Joe Max Super Auto, then we split. What's the personal price? I don't think we have these available for personals. It would pretty much be like 900, exactly what we're charging on this. We really don't make much money on these random team breaks. There's only a couple boxes though, Moses, so we'll probably just do them as breaks, not personals. has non-autos for the pods. Merrill has Bowman first, non-autograph. Schwellenbach, he's an exception. He's a dual position, isn't he? He's one of those. Good luck. What do the Stros have? I'm not sure. No phenomenon. This is 2021. Leon was Bowman Chrome. Correa was Bowman Chrome. Leon Invicta. That's all they have. Ay caramba. Ay caramba. Alright, good luck. I see a gold. Hopefully it's an auto. Guess the gold for 20. I am Bart. Hawk is Bart Simpson. Gavin Williams, Sam Bachman, Harry Ford. Will Bednar refractor, Jackson Merrill refractor. See, this is Jackson Merrill's first card. Before his autograph came out, he had this. But the thing is, it's not even him. It is a picture of somebody else. But at the end of the day, it's still his first Bowman, so... Oh wow, there is a gold auto. That's not even what I was looking at. We have multiple golds. That'll be the guess. This one, the auto. Blue paper of Frelick for the Brewers. Nice hit, Seabags. Yeah, it still sells. It still sells. I mean, it's a good thing it wasn't his autograph version. That would have been a little ridiculous if he signed that card. That wasn't a picture of him, but... Yeah, Frelick's been climbing up the ranks, huh? Andrew Painter. We need some Andrew Painter. Another Harry Ford base. Upside down of Montgomery and Hill for the Rockies to 250. Blue Wave auto. Refractor of VRs. Refractor of Schwellenbach. Blue Wave auto of Jackson Job. Nice for Picker. Third overall pick. Third overall pick. Nice hit, Picker. And we know we have gold auto coming. Colorful box. Michael Morales. to 199. Lawler base. Aaron Zavala base. Cooper Kinney. Another Jackson Merrill. Bubba Chandler. What's up, Minsky? What happened to you last night? Someone earlier was like asking for a wellness check on you or something. Aaron Sabato for the Twins. Lava. Auto for the Nationals of TJ White. For Maggio gets TJ. He was hot at one point. I don't know what his deal is right now. I think that's a solid one. You haven't seen the sun in 3 days? Take a walk outside. This is the other gold that I saw. There's a chance we have 2 gold autos. For some reason, I highly doubt it, though. Manzardo. White refractor. I think we want a pitcher here if this is a Blue Jay. What do we want? Tideman? That's what we want? Ricky Tideman? Pack with the guess? Oh, it's Gunnar. Gunnar Hoglund. Ricky Tideman would have been huge there, right? Gunnar Hoglund. For the Jays, true gold auto. He was a first rounder, Hoglund. But I think Tideman's the guy you want now. For Karam. Karam gets true gold. He's not even here. How do we have 2 true gold autos in a box? We'll take it. Andrew Painter. Yeah, there's a couple more of these we can do. Meyer refractor. Bubba Chandler refractor. We need to hit the restock on some older Bowman stuff. We went through a lot the past couple weeks. What's up, Kyle? Yeah, this is a good product. I think my best pull ever came out of this product. Marcelo Meyer Red Auto. Which was sold for like $55K. Montgomery. Yes, it did. It was like the craziest case. Random team number 7. Who remembers random team 7 of 2021 draft? If you don't remember, you should look it up and go watch it. It had a red Marcelo Meyer. It had a black Marcelo Meyer. It had a black Jordan Lawler. And I'm pretty sure it had a random super. It was regular jumbo. Tideman, auto for Seattle. of Morales. Yeah, there's no way that was going to be Ford. Harris refractor. That card sells. That's his non-auto. First. Was Ford a redemption? Encarnacion Strength. He's big time now. Colton Cowser for the Orioles. I can't believe we have a second true gold auto of the box. For the Dodgers. This is when we need to put our thinking caps on. I'm rusty. I don't remember who they have. It's another pitcher. Kasperius. Pack to the Future is too sharp. NM Charka gets Kasperius. 2 true golds in the box.